Question 5, hopefully very clear what you've got to do. You need to find what this differentiates to give. And what rule are you going to use when you've got one piece of algebra divided by another? You're going to use the quotient rule, aren't you? So there's lots to do, and there's lots of algebra to play about with, but it's one of the questions we know how to do it. Sine theta, of course, goes to cos theta. On the bottom, I've got 2 sine theta plus 2 cos theta. And so on the bottom, that differentiates to give 2 cos theta minus 2 sine theta. Setting off using our quotient rule. We'll get 1 mark for it looking like we're doing it, and our 2nd mark for getting this right. Now it's these 2 things times together. So we've got this times by all of this. In a minute we're going to multiply it all out and try and tidy it up. But it's those 2 things together minus, take away these 2 things times together. And I think some things are going to cancel out all over the bottom bit, all over v squared, all over v squared. So look, it's taken quite a long time to write that out, so I'll go back and just check that I haven't made any slips. But I'm going to multiply it out now then. So I've got 6 sine theta cos theta, and I've got 6 cos squared thetas. I'm taking away 6 sine thetas cos thetas. Oh look, there they go, they were the ones we had earlier. They're going to cancel out. I've also got minus is plus here, plus 6 sine squared theta. All over, now am I going to multiply that one out? Yeah, I think I will. Or all over, so this is squaring a bracket now then, so I've got 4 sine squared theta plus 4 cos squared theta, and I'm squaring, so I've got to be careful at the bottom there. Altogether I've got another 8 sine theta cos thetas. So there's the multiplying out. That was just some algebraic multiplying out. Let's move down and get a little bit more space. So that cancels with that. Here I've got 6 cos squared theta plus 6 sine squared theta. And of course that's just 6 lots of all of that. So that is simply, look, cos squared plus sine squared equals 1. So on the top I've got 6 here. On the bottom, doing the same thing, I've got 4 sine squared theta plus cos squared thetas. So that's 4. And then I've got 8 sine theta cos thetas. Now, we need a double angle formula here. Our double angle formula is that sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. We've got 8 of them, so there's a 4 there. Last line, I'm going to divide it all by 2. Dividing everything by 2 gives me 3 over 2 plus 2 sine 2 theta. And that is where we were almost there. Oh, it's not quite almost there, because it wants us to leave it as a 1 plus. That's annoying. I'm going to do another line then. I'm going to leave it as 3 over 2, 1 plus sine 2 theta. So I've got A is 3 over 2. Why didn't I leave it there? I didn't leave it there because the question had this with 1s in it, a 1 there and a 1 there, whereas they just wanted a number on the top, and so the number on the top is 3 over 2. Sorry about that at the end.